Hey, what's going on? It's James Canzanella, your Affiliate Hero, and in this video it's going to be a nice little quick tutorial when it comes to utilizing ClickFunnels and a WordPress plugin. Now, a lot of people don't realize that you can actually combine these two. Maybe it's because it's hard to find, or it came out a while ago and there hasn't been a ton of updates. Regardless, this is pretty much going to be like using PrettyLink. If you're familiar with PrettyLink, the WordPress plugin, where it allows you to use one of your sales funnels but actually plug it into your domain so it looks like it's coming from there. So first things first, if you'd like to subscribe, I do plenty of videos when it comes to ClickFunnels, tutorials, software, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, so feel free to do that. And let's continue on. So in order to find this, normally or usually a while back, you would just search for it and it would come up here, but maybe because it's older, it's not showing up as much. So what I do is actually go to Fast ClickFunnels, which is a different plugin, and then I just type in ClickFunnels into the search plugins. Search ClickFunnels right here. Then, of course, you can download it, which I already did, okay? So now we want to go to your site, whatever site it's going to be. I'm going to do choose file, and I'm going to find the plugin and just click on it. Then click on install now. Activate plugin. Perfect. So now that it's there, it's going to be on the left side. And what we need to do is add new, and then we're going to enter in our information. So first and foremost, it's going to say you have to set up your API settings, which is very easy to do. So account email is very simple. It's what you use to log into ClickFunnels. And then when it comes to authentication token, I'm going to show you how to find that. So when you're in ClickFunnels, make sure you go to the hover over the mugshot in the top right and then go to account settings, which will bring up here. And if you scroll down a little, all you need to do is click on expand, and then an API will pop down. You simply just copy that, and that's what you're going to paste into here. Okay, so I'm going to do that off screen for a sec. Once I do that, I will show you what you need to do next. All right, and I'm all done with that. And of course, once you enter them in, make sure you click on like save settings or whatever it is. So add new. Okay, so regular page, home page, or 404. Usually I do regular page because I already have a home page. Let's go to affiliate funnels. And let's do, is it in alphabetical order? I don't believe it is. We'll do ClickFunnels bonuses. And then, of course, I can add a path to it for you. Okay, then let's click on save page. Perfect. And then what I can do to preview is just open it up in a new window. Okay, and there you go. You can't see it at the top, but it actually has that URL in there that I had created. So pretty much you can actually take this URL here and put it wherever you want, as opposed to having like, your ID / blah, 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 and then the rest of it. So a lot of times what happens is like people might not have a domain with their ClickFunnels account. Like for me, I don't have one. I just kind of use my regular link. If not, I could always use something else like PrettyLink or this. But this is pretty much going to solve that problem for you, where you don't have to have all that crap. .clickfunnels / your page. You can also create any type of slug that you want. Slug is going to be the last part of it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you actually utilize the ClickFunnels WordPress plugin. It hasn't been updated in a while, but according to this, it still works. I do use it on a few sites and so on and so forth. So hope you enjoyed that. Hope you found that helpful. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to do that now. Also put a link down below in case you'd like a free cheat sheet of many recurring offers that you can use to promote as an affiliate to make some extra money. I am James Canzanella. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.